As we continue in our process to use Google Tools to capture and record teacher goal setting as part of the BaRT process, this video will show what it looks like to complete the form from the teacher perspective, and then we'll look at the data in the spreadsheet from the administrator perspective and see how we can use some extra tools to make that data useful to us. So we'll start by, this is what the teacher would see when they fill it out. So if I click on name, I will choose my name. I'm at Green Middle School. Dr. Shoemake is my administrator. My goal that I'm choosing is what do I typically do to identify critical information? And that is element 6. So I will try 3 new strategies to help students identify critical information during my 3 sections of social studies this semester. The tools I need the Becoming a Reflective Teacher book. I need assistance from my local educational service unit for professional development. And I need time to reflect and collaborate with my team. And I need typing practice. What evidence will I collect? I will do student surveys, and I will record student interviews to show that my strategy works. And I would like a copy of my results, so I'll go ahead and click submit, and it will automatically send those back to me. So it's ready for the next person to submit. But now we'll go look at what it shows us at the teacher level. So I'll go ahead and go into the spreadsheet that's tied. It's the same name as my form, except it says responses at the end. And you can see here that it automatically made the spreadsheet, and it has all of the information in that you just watched me enter. And if I made any typos, it will include those as well, which teachers do, and that bothers them. So one thing that you can do when you create the form is the checkbox at the top that allows teachers to edit their answers, and that's really up to you and what you decide to do. So as the teachers complete this form, the data will fill in the spreadsheet depending on the number of staff that you have. And for demonstration purposes, I've gone ahead and completed a form for you so that we can see what that data looks like. Let me go to that spreadsheet. So this one shows the questions that we've asked the teachers, and it fills in, and this spreadsheet has about 50 responses. So it's helpful to me as an administrator where I can go line by line and look at what came in. You'll notice that it's date and time stamped. And this person who made this one didn't automatically collect the Google username. If we go back to the one that we made this morning, you can see that I never typed that in, but it was automatically collected because I was logged into my account. And that's important if we want to email back the responses to our teachers who completed the form. So I'll go ahead and go back to my spreadsheet that's completed and show you how we can do some things that would make this data more useful to you. One of those is through an add-on, and we'll find out this within the spreadsheet, an add-on that's called RowCall. If you don't already have RowCall, you can refer back to the video in this collection about installing add-ons, but we will assume at this point that you have RowCall installed in your account. You'll click down on it and you'll click Start. And there are only 3 options that we need to work with in RowCall. So what RowCall does is take the data in your spreadsheet and auto-filter it to new tabs in the spreadsheet in a way that makes it useful to you. So for this example, this is a fairly small school district. They have 2 elementary schools, a middle school, a high school, and an alternative program. And there's an administrator for each of those programs. So to make the data more easily accessible for those administrators of those buildings, we will auto-sort the data by the school. So I will look over here in the RowCall column and I will choose building. that will sort it. We'll tell that at yes, we'll check the box that the source has column headers. The column headers are just this top row, which you'll notice are the exact questions that you put in your spreadsheet when you created it. And then where it says automatically update sheets, that will make it so that anytime someone completes the form and hits submit, it will automatically filter that data into these tabs that we set up. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start. And if we watch along the bottom of the spreadsheet, you will see that it's going to create 5 tabs: red elementary, green middle school, blue elementary, orange high school, and purple alternative school, because those were the 5 choices that we have. So if I click back over to the left on my master sheet, nothing has changed there. It's the same order that they were completed in, and everything's on the master. But by implementing the add-on called RowCall, it's automatically filtered by building the teachers who completed the form from that building, which makes that very easy then for the respective administrators to see just their staff, but also to be able to have access to the whole district file. So we have found that our administrators really like that feature, and once we've set that up, it will keep filtering for any additional teachers who complete the form. So that's the spreadsheet that holds the data from our form, and we looked at the add-on called RowCall as a way to easily sort and manage that data. In the next video, we'll show you some other add-ons that can make this process more easy and useful to you as well.